folks. Today I'm trying to get that tire off. Apparently it's not that complicated, but I gotta find the right bolts. So 10mm and something else. Let's see if I can find the right tools to get that off there without killing it. I know what size this is. Nope, that's not it. 10. Nope. Nobody, nope. 3 minutes in, we got nothing. Okay. Got one of those. I should put my new chair together. This, I need something to put my leg on. I don't know if you can see this. Probably not. Well, let's back up a little. Where's the little rubber pad? Alright. Yeah, a battery would help. Yeah. Uh-oh. That wasn't good. Alrighty. Got that one off. Now, let's see this. I don't have an impact for this, so. Alrighty. Let's pause this for a second. Alright folks, if you've been paying attention, I'm trying to get the cable off here. That's the little cup thingy. That tire off, just can't get the cable off. I'll pull this out before it gets wrecked. There we go. Now, I probably should take the brake cable off first.
But apparently, thing itself. How the hell did it get this out here? Why won't this thing come off?
Why won't it come off? Why won't the goddamn thing come off? Frick. Come on. What the dickens? Alright. This is gonna bend. Looks like we need to take it off. Should be fun. Let me take this off of here. Move it somewhere else so you can see what I'm trying to do. Like this. I don't know if you can see this, but this thing is kinked.
Come on. Listen close. Here you go. Like this. I'll take this off. Probably should do this before. I'll speed this up.
Not like you can see anything. Oh, my back hurts. I got a sore back from coffee all night. What the hell size is this again? Is that 10 millimeter? Oh yeah, look at that. Let's go like this. Take the battery out of here first. Let's see. Come on. There we go. Come on, here we go. Now, can we get this out of here? This stick thing out of here now. Come on. So get this out of here. Oh, come on. I don't want to wreck the fenders on here. I should take the fenders off first. Yeah, well. Come on. Shit. Come on. There we go. Whole tire's off. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da. Now, let's move the camera now. This. Go in a bag. I'm bagging all the parts so I know which ones they are. That's it, I'm already losing pieces. Jesus. Last thing I need to do is lose parts of this bike. There we go. One. Two. Am I still recording? I don't know.
Front rack. Is it front rack? Let me get this off here. Ooh. Yeah, this will be fun. Alright, front rack. This is front rack bolts. Come on, get out of here.
I think this camera's in the wrong spot. Let's change it. Alright, taking this apart. I got this disconnected. Of course, I gotta get the whole rest of it unconnected somehow. So this is gonna come out. And the wiring harness down there somewhere. Let's see. Come on, get off there. So take that off there. Take that off there. Come on. Take this off of here. Oh yeah. Sweet. Come on. That through there. Of course it gets hooked on everything. Everything has to get hooked on everything. Alright, we got the wiring harness off. Uh-oh, I just dropped that. Front fenders now. How do we get this fender off without destroying it? That's the question.
How do we get this fender off? Back into place. What size bolt on here? It's not long. It's in 10. Is it really? 10 millimeter? the world. This sucks. Is this even coming off? I don't think so. I need a short 10mm. That's a 16. I think I need a short 10mm socket. Is this 10mm? Yep, that's 10mm, right?
Question is, will I be able to get the damn ratchet in there? Probably not. I need a smaller ratchet. I don't know where the hell my 10mm wrench went. Well, the 10mm curse is on. Let's see. Maybe I'll get this in there.
Is it 10? It's 11.
You know what? Maybe we should just take the forks off. That might be better. Yeah. That bolt is rusted. Will this fit? Sweet. That'll work. It's not that one. This is. Forks.
What size is that? It's not 21. It's not 20. 17. There we go. Holy crap. Put shit blower in here. I kill this thing. There we go. Got a rubber hammer somewhere. Rubber mallet. There you go. Ta-da! No.
How now, brown cow? Yes, you're gonna need a punch. Spin that out of there. I don't have one of those pin wrenches.
Got a lot of people who don't even know exist.
There we go.
This side of here. This down here is. Let's see.
Yeah, I'd probably get new bearings, but you know what? At least save the old ones just in case. Check these ones out, clean them. There's a lot of dirt in here. Does this come out now? There we go. Oh, the balls are gonna come out the bottom now. Balls to the wall. Balls to the wall. Guess I need bottom bearings now. That right there for now. Let's get a pair of gloves. Yeah, righty. Come on.
Yeah. It's like glue. Holy shit. That got terrible. Conveyance is being it. Holy crap. Oh, last one. Where'd it go? There you are. Let's do it. Alrighty. Done the bag. Yummy. Let's see. Let's see. Right there. Take this. Where's the little extension bar? There we go. There's the extension bar. And the bolts. Nope, it's not working. Oh, that one's done. So that's done. I'll get the rest of the shit off. Fender bolt. Let me get this way. Probably not. Probably not. A short 10 millimeter. That's for 13. There's an 11. That's why I had 10. There it is. Short 10 millimeter. There we go. There we go. Come on.
A lot of pauses here. Well, folks, after fidgetling, I got this off. Got the front forks off. Ta-da! It's out of my way now. Discombobulated. And then we'll work on those next in a little while here. But most of all, I think it's safe to say I can drop the engine soon. What I wanted the most was the front tire. I got the front tire off. Now I just hope my front tire, my other one, comes off just easier than this one. Which, I don't know. I don't know if I want to go through this hassle or what. Take this apart and see how it goes. Let me take that off here, I'll show you. Anyway, I took this off. This part wouldn't come out right here, a little part where it goes right in here, it wouldn't come out. So I, instead of cutting the cable part, I just snipped the cable off. I don't want to cut the plastic in case I can reuse it. Took the fork front end off. Now I think I can detach the engine. And voila. I got to take the rear end off though first. That's next. I wanted the front tire put on the other one because this tire's good. I don't know if the hub's good, but I'll clean it out and see what happens. So, ta-da! I'll give you a look. See on this side right here. That's what's left of the bike so far. Forks are here, tires here. All the mysterious odds and ends to get the single parter on the floor. It's my little cutoff tool, DeWalt tool. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll keep working on this project until I get done. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. I'll edit some of the stuff out here too. You'll probably see it.